Introducing calabash tree, Crescentia courgette of the family Bignoniaceae. The calabash tree is a tree with spreading branches that grow up to 10 meters or taller. Leaves are almost sessile, clustered at the nodes and oblanceolate, measuring up to 15 centimeters in length. Flowers are borne on the trunk and main branches and are up to 4 centimeters long. Fruit is hard, shelled, smooth, globose, 30 centimeters across. Calabash tree is native to tropical America. It was introduced to the Philippines probably in the 1950s and had limited distribution. Calabash tree holds cultural significance in many regions, with its gourd-like fruit often being crafted into containers, bowls, or musical instruments. The hard shell of the fruit makes it suitable for holding liquids, and it has been used traditionally for storing water, beverages, or as natural bowl for food. In addition to its practical uses, calabash tree has been employed in traditional medicine. Various parts of the tree, including the leaves, bark, and fruits, are utilized for their potential medicinal properties. Extracts from calabash tree have been studied for their anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties.